Councillor Bird.
Thank you. Our first thoughts are with the hundreds of innocent victims of the violence in Israel and in Gaza. People like Rasmi al-Sawarka, 45, Mariam al-Sawarka, 45, Mohammad, Muaz, Waseem, who are 12, 7 and 13, also the Sawarka family, and Shani Louk, 23, Nathanial Young, 20. The Greens call for an immediate ceasefire to end the violence in Israel and Palestine and a political settlement that must begin with an end to illegal occupation. Israel claims to be a Jewish state, and as a Jewish person, I say no. Not in my name does apartheid Israel kill innocent civilians nor put its own citizens in danger.